Hello traders! Have you been trading for a while but keep hitting roadblocks? Or are you new to trading and want some solid steps to start off on the right foot? In this video, I'm going to reveal 12 secrets that can significantly improve your chances of becoming a successful trader, helping you avoid the common pitfalls that lead to blown accounts. While this video is tailored for those trading with a prop firm like Apex Trader Funding, most of these tips are broadly applicable to trading in general. So, let's dive in. 1. Understand the prop firm's rules. Not all prop firms operate under the same rules. It's crucial to fully grasp the guidelines before you start trading. If you're interested in learning more about Apex Trader Funding's evaluation account rules, check out my video linked in the description. 2. Develop and stick to a trading plan. When trading, it is extremely important to have a detailed trading plan, or blueprint if you will. It should have detailed rules to guide you on how to prepare for trading, what trading strategies to use, when to trade, when not to trade, and what to do after you finish trading for the day. This rule can be applied toward virtually any career. Let's use Beyoncé as an example. Beyoncé is one of the most successful entertainers in the world. Do you think that when she has a concert, that she just hops up on the stage and starts dancing all wild without having some sort of plan? Of course not. She has a detailed routine and plan that she follows to a T. Now, if someone at the top of their field like Beyoncé needs a detailed routine and plan in order to be successful, how much more important is it for everyday traders like us to have one as well? Now, what should be included in a trading plan? That's a great question. The rest of the secrets I'm about to share are key elements to incorporate into your trading plan. 3. Use a trading system. A good trading system gives you structure so that you are not at your computer impulsively taking trades. You should only execute trades when the criteria in your trading system are fully met. If you're looking for some trading systems, Apex Investing and ITC are some options. I've included links for both trading systems in the description. 4. Implement risk management. Set clear parameters for daily losses, daily profit goals, and daily maximum number of trades. Once you hit any one of those parameters, stop trading for the day. For example, if your daily loss limit is $500, stop trading once your account is down by that amount. If your daily profit goal is $300, stop trading once your daily profit has reached that amount or higher. If your daily maximum number of trades is 5, stop trading after that 5th trade, no matter where your daily profit is for the day. A maximum daily number of trades? This trader wisdom guy does not know what he is talking about. I get why it's important to have a daily loss limit and profit goal, but why is it important to have a daily maximum number of trades? That's another great question. A bit rude, but still a great question. To fully address your question, here's a task for you. Review your trading history and compare the days when you were profitable to the days when you blew your accounts. You'll often find that on the days you blew your accounts, there was either a spike in the number of trades taken or a significant increase in the contract sizes. Why does this happen? A common reason is revenge trading, where a trader, driven by emotions rather than strategy, impulsively makes risky trades after a loss, often resulting in even greater losses. Setting these parameters, such as a daily limit on the number of trades, can help you prevent overtrading and safeguard your account. If you're prone to revenge trading, consider also adding a rule to your trading plan to stop trading after, for example, 2 consecutive losses. 5. Keep a trading journal. Document every trade you make, including your reasoning, entry and exit points, and the outcomes. What's so important about journaling your trades? That sounds pretty much like having a glorified diary to me. Not at all. The truth is, journaling your trades is essential for reviewing your successes and failures, tracking your performance, and identifying patterns that show which trading strategies are working and which aren't. This practice isn't exclusive to professional traders. It's widely used in other fields as well, from doctors and nurses who maintain records of their patients' medical histories in order to provide effective treatment, to athletes who review game footage for analysis. While journaling your trades can be tedious and time-consuming, it's an essential step if you want to become a consistently profitable trader. You might be thinking, but I take a lot of trades. I don't have time to journal every single one. That's a valid concern. If you're pressed for time, you can use technology to make the process easier. TRADEZELLA is an excellent option. It offers several useful features such as automated journaling, which seamlessly integrates your trades into TRADEZELLA for effortless tracking. Advanced trade analysis, which helps you identify trading errors, such as taking on too much risk, and provides detailed statistics about each trade. Data-driven reports, which tracks your trading progress, highlights your strengths and weaknesses, and helps you refine your trading strategy. Playbooks, which lets you create and manage your trading strategies and rules, and assess their effectiveness. Backtesting and replay, which enables you to test new strategies and review past trades to improve your approach. Please note, TRADEZELLA isn't limited to journaling only futures. It also works with stocks, forex, options, and crypto as well. If you're interested in purchasing TRADEZELLA, feel free to click on my affiliate link in the description. 6. Control your emotions. Trading can trigger a range of emotions like fear, greed, and anger, so it's crucial to have a routine that helps you manage your stress before you begin your trading day. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas is an outstanding book for understanding trader psychology. He also has a series of videos on YouTube that are also helpful. I have included links to both in the description. Never trade when you're upset, as emotions can lead to poor decisions, like revenge trading, as I mentioned earlier. If you become upset while trading, take a break. Maybe go for a walk. If you still can't calm down, it's best to stop trading for the day. 7. Always use stop losses. Every trade should have a predetermined stop loss to limit potential losses. Avoid the temptation to move your stop loss in hopes that the market will turn in your favor. Have you ever moved your stop loss thinking the price would head back in your direction? No one? Come on, let's be honest. I know I'm not the only one who has done that. Unfortunately, plenty of traders have encountered that dreaded trading day where you enter a trade and the market immediately goes in the opposite direction, but you think it's going to reverse and head back in your direction. So you move your stop, but it continues to go in the opposite direction. And no matter how many times you hit your monitor or pray to the heavens, the price continues to go against you until you blow your account. This is why stop losses are so important. 8. Stay disciplined and patient. Only take trades that align with your trading plan. You literally need to become a trader snob and turn your nose to any trade that does not meet the criteria of your trading system. There is always tomorrow, so stick to your trading strategies and do not force a trade. 9. Adapt to market conditions. Be flexible with your strategies as market conditions change. What works in one type of market may not work in another. Just like you wouldn't wear a winter coat and snow boots in the middle of summer, your trading system should be versatile enough to suit different market environments, much like choosing the right outfit for the weather. 10. Maintain a professional attitude. Treat trading as a business and focus on long-term success rather than quick wins. Don't treat trading like you are purchasing a lottery ticket or like you're gambling down at Vegas. 11. Avoid trading during high-impact news. During high-impact news events, the market can experience extreme, unpredictable movements, with prices sometimes jumping 100 points in one direction and then quickly reversing all in a matter of seconds. This increased volatility, combined with low liquidity, makes it challenging to execute trades effectively. Even if you have a take profit or stop loss set, the rapid pace of the market and lack of liquidity during these times can cause the market to run right over your orders without triggering them, leading to significant losses and possibly blowing your account if the market continues against your position. To avoid this, make sure you're aware of any economic reports or news that could impact your trades before you start trading for the day. ForexFactory.com is a great website to check the news schedule. 12. Set consequences for breaking your trading plan's rules. Set up penalties for yourself whenever you break the rules of your trading plan, and make sure they're severe enough to stop you from doing it again. For example, if you love watching TV, a good penalty could be banning yourself from watching TV for a few days. This way, you'll be more motivated to stick to your plan and get better at trading. Just as students face consequences for breaking rules, traders need their own accountability system to stay disciplined. Bonus secret: get an accountability partner. Along with using TRADEZELLA to spot any rules you've broken in your trading plan, having an accountability partner to help keep you focused can make a big difference. At the end of each trading day, be sure to check in with them to review how your trading went. So there you have it. Those are the 12 secrets that can significantly boost your chances of becoming a successful trader. The more of these strategies you incorporate into your trading plan, the better your results could be. When applied properly, they can act like a Super Mario mushroom in your trading. Wow, I think I may have just aged myself with that Super Mario reference. Interested in purchasing Apex accounts? Okay, I take it as a yes. Feel free to use my affiliate link in the description or enter promo code WISDOM to get the best discount currently offered by Apex automatically applied to your order. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons. If my teaching style happens to resonate with you, check out my website, traderwisdom.com. There, you can follow me on Instagram and also join the Trader Wisdom Discord community, where you can be around like-minded traders to discuss trading strategies or ask me questions you might have. You'll also find a variety of helpful trading videos, such as those for traders new to Apex, tutorials for setting up your Apex accounts, detailed breakdowns of Apex rules and policies with examples, and trading tips. While you're on the website, don't forget to sign up for my newsletter so you can stay informed about the latest Apex Trader funding sales and my giveaways. These giveaways are my way of saying thank you for being a part of the Trader Wisdom community. So, stay tuned. Until next time, thank you for watching Trader Wisdom.